The kind stranger. Sam was walking home after school when he realized he had lost his way. The streets looked unfamiliar, and the sun was setting fast. He started to panic. Just then, an older man approached. He had gray hair and a warm smile. "You look lost, son," he said gently. Sam nodded, explaining how he couldn't find his street. The man offered to walk him home. As they talked, Sam learned the man had once lived nearby but moved away years ago. When they reached Sam's house, the man waved goodbye with a smile. Sam waved back, grateful for his kindness. The next day, Sam's mother told him the man who helped him used to be a good friend of their family. Sam smiled, knowing he'd met someone special. Lesson: kindness often comes when we least expect it, but it can change our day.